Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you today. I got this. It is from Canada, so it's SpiralRain, and it's my witchy and apothecary box put together to save on shipping. When they do that, it's not that bad. I don't think anyway. Anyway, this is August. All right, so first we have paperwork. Lots of awesome info. So I'm gonna put this on the side to last. And this is what I see. So black means witchy and green means apothecary. So we have some extra stuff in here. And the first thing is black, so we're going to do the witch box. Let's see what's in there. This is cute. It looks like a necklace with a pendulum and a witch hat. Or it could be just a pendulum. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's just a pendulum, sorry. No necklace, that makes sense. So that's pretty, and then it has the hat. That's really cute. I don't know, maybe it's a banded agate. Nice pendulum, very cute. Black. Feels like a smudge. Ooh, a beautiful smudge indeed. Eucalyptus, green and red. Wow, that is really pretty. Oh, it smells nice. Gotta keep that wrapped up. It smells nice. We have, this is black. I don't know. Wand? Or a pen. Let's see. I think it's a pen. We got a green, like crystals. It looks like the venturine in here. This looks like resin, and the pen is green. Yeah. Cute little pen. Black. Pendulum board. Indeed it is. Looks like with a little moth. Very cute, travel size. Oh, the back is, it's two-sided. I didn't realize that. Black on one side and natural wood on the other. That is definitely one I don't have. Oh, this is heavy. This is a heavy one. Divination. Eucalyptus, menthe, orange, eucalyptus, mint, and orange. And it has an affirmation. We have a candle. Ooh. Always loaded with lovely goodies. For divination. All right. Oh, and there's one more thing for the black. This is black. Oh, two things. I'm sorry. Divination. Wow. This is cute. Connecting notebook set. 2 notebooks and 3 adhesive stickers. A set of 2 notebooks. Look at that. It's got a wooden hand in there. Really different. All right, and the last, maybe a book. Ooh, all different kind of. I wanted this book. I'm so excited. So it's different nation, like three different kind of. Oh, this is great. This is a really awesome book I wanted. Well, that's just the witchcraft one for this month. Absolutely loved everything so far in that. Now this is the apothecary part. So let's start with the green. And we have attracts money, incense cones. We have a little guy here. And we have a gold chime candle holder. We got green, white, gold, and silver chime candles in a box. And then there's two more for the apothecary. Let's see what this is. Ooh, this is pretty. Attract. It's money oil in a pretty jar with cute chimes. Charms. Sorry guys, big nice bottle with a dropper. It's really pretty. And then this. Is our last item. Oh, how cute. All right. It's really wrapped in here good. We got a jar of cloves. We have basil in cute jars. This one is fennel seed. This one is aventurine crystals. This one is magnetic black salt. Tiger's eye. And this is obviously all for prosperity. And then jade. So we have a lot of cute things in there. And then, of course, all our info. So, this is in French, so I cannot understand this one. Oh. Divination candle. Oh, they have it in both. Okay. It's been charged with Reiki and witchcraft. Handmade soy wax scented with sweet orange, eucalyptus, and lavender oil, and topped with labradorite, obsidian, and hibiscus. And then there is it says dragon's blood and eucalyptus smudge. Eucalyptus and dragon's blood is a powerful cleansing combination, a protection and powerful combination to cleanse and enhance confidence, power, and strength. Then the crystal ball ballpoint pen, because it didn't feel right without a pen with a notebook. That's cute. Pendulum, the Witch's Rune board, connecting your future and yours, connecting garnet notebook set, modern witchcraft guide to runes, the ritual oil, the glass of jars, boop, 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 boop. All right, here. So, Witch divination boxes, retail value of $106. You got the book for $22.99. The pendulum, $15. The pendulum board, $12. The bundle, which is eucalyptus and dragon's blood, is $12. The candle is $15. And the future is yours connecting notebook is $14.99. And the crystal ball pen is $5. And the book of shadow sheets that you'll see coming up. And it says Grimoire magazine. Then the Apothecary box is a value of $98. You get the money ritual oil, magnetic sand, tiger's eye chips, green jade chips, green venturine chips. Those are all $6 each. 10 chime candles, the chime, which is $15. Gold chime candle holder is $5. The basil is $5. The cloves are $5. The fennel seeds are $5. The money incense is $4. And then the book of shadow sheets, which are always beautiful. We have the fennel, the basil, clove, St. John's wort. I didn't see that, but aventurine, jade, tiger's eye, and gold. Palmistry, ooh, that's pretty. Goes over all different things for palmistry. Wow, this is a lot of info. This is like a book itself. I think we can make a book out of this. Oh, for sure. For sure. Sorry if you're hearing noise in the background. We're working on the house. Yeah, we're going to make a book out of this because this is truly a book. So you got palmistry too in the divination. So, wow. Yep. Create your own book. And then this is the beautiful artwork for August. And this goes over the moon cycles, what you can celebrate in August, going into Virgo, the astrology, different sun, the stones, and it goes more into the items in the box, like the money magic is obviously with the Apothecary. And they throw spells and stuff and all the correspondences. I mean, you get a lot of information, especially for those who are just learning the craft. I mean, this is awesome. And even those who need refreshers or just reminders. I mean, it goes over all the different nations. It's really amazing. So I enjoyed this month's box, both of them, absolutely. Divination's one of my favorites. That's my favorite book I wanted. I'm excited about that. I think all the items were nice. Let me know, guys, what you think as well. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below. Thanks for watching.